welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery and I'm so happy you're here today. So, I had this idea a while back. If you've never made one of my Potter TOTs, go make one. You're gonna need to follow that tutorial because this is like a add-on to that tutorial. If you follow my Potter TOTs for Ron and Harry, then all you have to do is go up to row 15 and stop. Then come back to this tutorial and I will show you how to make Christmas jumpers for Harry and Ron. Yes, so Harry and Ron, these are their Christmas jumpers. I show you how to do the embroidery in this tutorial, and all you have to do, seriously, all you have to do is use blue or red instead of black for the tutorial listed above. That's it. That's all you have to do. That is how easy this is. I didn't want to make it complicated. I don't do complicated. I don't like hard. This is all you have to do to make Christmas Harry and Ron tots in their little Christmas jumpers. Now I have to say, okay, I have to show you guys something. We Crochet has this yarn that I wanted to get my hands on, and the shipping just wouldn't come in time for the tutorial, so I had to give up. But look at this yarn. It is perfection for the sweaters in the film. Look at these. Side by side, you would swear that's the yarn they used to make it for the movie. Both of these. I could not believe it when I saw these, and I was so disappointed that I couldn't use the yarn to make these. But you know what? After Christmas sales, hey, I'm grabbing those two colors and we are remaking them, and I am going to make Harry and Ron in authentic looking Christmas jumpers. So, I'm so excited. Anyway, you can still make them in blue and red. Pick blue, red, and follow the tutorial, and then come back and we'll make the embroidery. You can use gold yarn, you can use gold embroidery floss, you can use gold thread, that's what I have. And just grab a needle and whatever gold you're using, and let's get started. So at this point, you would be all the way through rounds 1 through 14 on my Harry Potter tot. And Ron and Harry are made the exact same way. So let's start with Harry because I think he'll be easier in theory. And I'm going to double up this thread. That may or may not be a huge mistake. And I'm going to be completely honest with you, I have never done this before. So we are going to learn together. I just have a vague idea of how I want to do this. So what I did was I double stranded it, and now I'm kind of twisting it to make it one piece. So let's see. All right, so we know that this is the front. I'm just gonna take all this out. There we go. I know where the front is because of my stitch marker. So I'm going to collapse him like this. So I have a flat surface to work with. I want it to go in the middle, and I know that round 5, which is my base, is about here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so that's where he is sitting. So that's where I don't want to go. Okay. I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go down 3. Okay. And just go up 2. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Go over, about here maybe? That's 2 stitches. And down 2 stitches. How is this looking, you guys? You think this is good? Okay. And then across. Now here's the part I'm nervous about. I want this to look connected. I'm gonna go in between here, like that. And then I'm gonna wrap my needle around this piece right here so I kind of show a connected looking stitch. Okay. And then I'm gonna go underneath like that. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing because I am not describing it well. I am so sorry. And then I will go out very, very, very close by on the other side, like that. And go back under, like so. How's that? I mean, if it's a little rustic, that's okay, because the sweaters are handmade, right? Well, you can tell that's an H. I mean, it's not the fanciest, but you know. Might move these stitches around so you can see more of this one. Yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna tie these two together. Oh boy, what a mess inside. Okay. You know what? There's no tying anything, so I'm just gonna fasten this off. This is not going to be played with by a child, so I'm not worried. It's just going to sit on a shelf or hang on a tree. That's hairy. Now I have to make an R. And I know this is silly, but I am going to draw out an R. So we go like that, and then I'll probably need like that. No. Maybe I'll break it into two, and then maybe I'll make like a stylized R. And nope. Okay, so this is an R, obviously. So, okay. If I make it like a box. Okay, I don't hate that. That's nice. All right. So here we go again with the thread. Not sure if the thread was a good idea or if I should have used yarn, but I was trying to use something that, you know, it's easier to get your hands on. Gold yarn is tough. Really, really good gold yarn is hard to find. I think I got mine from Mary Maxim. So I'm double stranding it again and praying I don't make a mistake because it's really hard to undo. And I'm gonna knot these this time. I didn't do that last time, I should have. So we are going to double knot these like so. Okay. All right then. Find the front. There we go. Okay. And I'm actually going to change my drawing just a little bit. I'm going to make it 1 like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go over a stitch and a half, I think. I don't want to go over 2 full stitches, that's too big. One stitch is too small, so we'll do a stitch and a half. Oops, oh no, don't want that to come unthreaded. Okay. And back in there. and then down 1 stitch, like so, and back in. Okay, this isn't looking half bad. Now, go here and connect these, and we'll have a P, I think. The letter P, yeah? Hopefully. Yep! Aw, I could have P for Potter, but this is a Weasley, so that wouldn't work. We could have a P for Percy, right? Yeah, but again, wrong Weasley, so. Okay, now we have to do a diagonal. So I'm gonna pick like a 1.5 stitches over, because again, 2 stitches is too much. Ah, okay. And, uh-oh. Oh no, everything's getting tangled up in there. That's not good. Oh, it went through the peach yarn. That's not good at all. Okay, come on. I only have 1 stitch to go. Okay. Now I want to go in the middle of this bar here, so right there. Yeah. I think that looks like an R. Yay! Okay. And I'm just gonna kind of go through the side here. Yeah. Because that's pretty stuck in there with all the other tangles, so. And there we go. We have H and R. It's a little rough, but you get the idea. Okay. So now just continue following the tutorial for Ron and Harry, and you will have little holiday Potter tots. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, if you make any of these, please tag me, use the hashtag down below, and I would love to see your makes. There is a private Facebook group down below. We have so much fun there. They get sneak peeks over there. They knew about this, you didn't. So remember, life happens, yarn helps, and Spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!